In this demo, I'm going to describe how to use AskRail to calculate and set an isolation zone. AskRail enables you to calculate and map an isolation zone, which is a distance within which all persons should be considered for evacuation in all directions from a spill or leak source. To do this, first locate a hazardous material using the hazardous materials screen, the car lookup screen, or the train detail screen, and select the UN or NA identification number or the placard. From the resulting pop-up, select ERG Isolation Zone Map. AskRail displays the Isolation Zone Options screen. In the Settings area, specify the spill size, whether it is day or night, whether the hazardous material is on fire, the unit of measurement, the wind speed, and whether or not the hazardous material is in water. Note that some settings may not be applicable and may not be displayed depending on the type of hazardous material. Select Calculate Isolation Zone. AskRail calculates and displays the isolation zone. For certain hazardous materials, a downwind protection zone is also calculated. To change options, select Recalculate Isolation Zone. Otherwise, select Go to display the isolation zone map. The isolation zone map first shows your current location as the location of the spill or leak and indicates the area that should be considered for evacuation based on the hazardous material and settings you selected. An isolation zone is indicated by a red circle. A downwind protection zone, if applicable, is indicated by an orange plume. The plume is narrow where the wind is coming from and widest where the wind is heading. A potential protection zone based on possible wind shifts is indicated by a yellow circle. You can use the controls on the isolation zone map to zoom the map out and in to view the surrounding area or focus on the spill. Switch from street view to satellite view. Manually change the wind direction to match local conditions. If you use this feature, be sure to specify the direction from which the wind is blowing, not the direction to which it is blowing. Search for an address to change the location indicated on the map. Go to the Settings screen to change the spill and view settings. If the flag is red, tap the map to move the location of the hazardous materials spill and isolation zone. Once the location of the spill is correct, tap the flag again to turn it black and lock the location of the spill and isolation zone. Move the screen focus to your location. Display points of interest such as educational institutions, hospitals, police stations, and fire stations to see if the isolation zone needs to be modified. You can select the isolation zone info icon at the top right to view the zone details. That wraps up this overview of using AskRail to calculate and set an isolation zone. Contact RailLink's Customer Success Center for more information.